Welcome to Quick and Easy Kitchen. Now today we are going to make Busch's white bean chili, and this is going to be absolutely wonderful. Now the ingredients that you will need are, you will need EVOO, which is extra virgin olive oil. You will also need 1 or 2 cans, whichever one you prefer, of Busch's Chili Magic, and it's for the white bean chili. Now you will also need green chilies, diced, mild, or if you want to put hot in, you can, but I have 2 cans here because 1 can calls for 1 4-ounce can. So that's the reason why I have 2 green chili cans here. Now you will also need butter to saute your onion, salt and pepper for your chicken, and then also we're going to use EVOO to cook our chicken in our Dutch oven. And all we have to do is just add the chili magic and our green chilies and our sauteed onion, and that is going to be the best white bean chili ever. And it's by Busch's. Now all I'm going to do is just put a little bit of olive oil in here, and then we're going to put our chicken in. What I'm doing is I have thoroughly washed our chicken. Now we're using just 1 chicken breast. Now if you don't want to use chicken breast for this, you can use chicken thighs. What I'm going to do in this chili is I'm going to shred the chicken breast because I absolutely love shredded chicken instead of chunk chicken. To give it some extra flavor, what I've done is I've used 1 tablespoon of butter. What I'm doing is I'm just putting the chicken on in so that way we can cook the chicken. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use our chopped onions that we've got here. In here is I've got our chicken, our sauteed onions. Now I did put 1 tablespoon of butter, and I did pour some EVOO so that way it gives it extra flavor. Is I put 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper and then 1/8 teaspoon of salt into this mixture. What I did was I just pulled my chicken apart like that. Is my onions in my Dutch oven. So what we're going to do is we're going to start assembling this white bean chili by Busch's. Now what I'm doing is I'm just putting the chicken back into the pot because what I did was I took it on out so that way I can just pull it apart where I can just like shred it apart. What I'm doing is I'm adding our Busch's Chili Magic, the white bean chili, and this taste is so amazing. I mean, it is really, really good. I really do like this chili starter that they have. Now, the recipe to this is on the back of the can of this. So it's not a lot of ingredients, and it doesn't cost a lot to make this. All you have to have is, you know, some chicken thighs that you like, or chicken breast, and then just 1 can of Chili Magic, but we have 2 cans here. And it says 1 undrained 4-ounce can of diced green chilies. So we're going to use 2 of those cans because we have 2 Chili Magics. And also, it just says sauteed onion. Now that's optional if you want to put it on in. But we have some onion in there to add the extra flavor. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add 1 4-ounce can of green chilies, and you're going to use the juice as well. You're going to use the juice on this. So do not drain the juice because it tells you on the back of the can that to use undrained. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this up because I want it to be well blended. I'll show you how good this looks, you guys. It tastes amazing. I mean, it really does. It is really a perfect chili starter. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this simmer and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Covered. Now here is our white bean chili by Busch's. Now what I did was I doubled the recipe, and what I brought was 2 cans of white bean chili starter, 2 cans of mild chilies. I also have an onion, and then I also have a large chicken breast. Now that's all that I put into it. Now I did add EVOO and also some butter to fry our chicken in our Dutch oven, and I just follow the instructions on the back of the can, and this is really, really good. I absolutely love the flavors of Busch's chili starters. They are the perfect seasoning and the perfect blend. This is not spicy, it's very mild, and it's absolutely tastes amazing. Now, if you wanted to add heat to this, you could use the hot chilies instead of the mild, and that would give it a little bit more hotness to it if you wanted to do that. But it is absolutely perfect with just using the mild. Now, I want to thank everyone for watching our video today. Please click the subscribe button and notification bell so that way every time I come on you know. And if you're watching this video for the first time, please click the subscribe button. We would love to have you as part of our YouTube family. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.